Robinsons have acquired 51,000 acres of the island of Kauai. So that makes them the largest private landholders on the island today. They are direct descendants of Eliza Sinclair, who arrived from Scotland in 1863 as a widow looking for a new venture. Now in 1864, she met with King Kamehameha IV, who sold her an island 17 miles southwest of Kauai known as Ni'ihau for just $10,000. So began the legacy of the Robinson family. Together with the island of Ni'ihau and the lands owned on the island of Kauai, the grand total of acreage owned by the Robinsons is 91,000. Folks, partway up this valley, we're going to be greeted by a handful of waterfalls. One of these waterfalls stands 360 feet high. It is a spring-fed waterfall. It is named Manavai o Puna, which means streaming branch of Puna. However, folks, today we just call it Jurassic Falls. About 20 minutes into the very first Jurassic Park movie, a helicopter lands at the base of Manavai o Puna. So as we make our way up Hanapepe, welcome to Jurassic Park.
Good thing for some of this rain for the falls, huh?
Well, actually, these waterfalls that we're seeing are all spring-fed. So no matter what, 365 days a year, rain or shine, these waterfalls will flow. But you are right. With the rain that we've got today, we're going to see a lot of waterfalls on the island that aren't normally there because most of our waterfalls are rain-fed on the island. We only have about a half dozen spring-fed waterfalls. Folks, as we begin to climb out of this beautiful valley of Hanapepe, and if you take a look around us, you're going to start to see that we have a lot of dead trees in the area. Now, this is nothing to do with a fire or an infection to the tree. This has everything to do with a hurricane that once hit our island way back on September 11th of 1992. Now, the hurricane was known as Iniki, and Iniki hit this island head-on from the south, packing sustained winds of 174 miles an hour, destroying 90% of our island. However, the vegetation today has returned greener and thicker than what it ever was prior to Iniki's arrival. So I guess you could say this was Mother Nature's way of just pruning up this beautiful island. Now, if we go back to the very first Jurassic Park movie filmed in 1992, you'll notice that there's actual footage of a storm and waves that are breaking over the break wall, and that was filmed right into Willy Willy Harbor there by the airport. And it was filmed by Steven Spielberg himself with a handheld camera as Hurricane Iniki struck the island. folks, not only do the Robinsons own the island of Ni'ihau and the Hanapepe Valley and all the lands to the left of us, well, they also own this beautiful canyon that we're going to cross over right now. This is known as Olakele Canyon.